What's up, everyone? This is Tywon here with H2Hubb, and we're here to do an unboxing video for the HM-500. We've actually have done an unboxing video for this product in the past. We've actually recommended this product for over 2 years, and we wanted to do an update video for this particular product. This product is offered or manufactured by Hydrogen Med, but its brand now is going to be called H2 Rich, and this is a pure H2 hydrogen inhalation device. And it's passed all of our performance standards and everything. So we're going to do an update for you guys on this product and go ahead and do an unboxing video, demonstration video, and a test video. So let's go ahead and get it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up. This is probably one of the highest quality pure H2 units we recommend at H2Hubb. And it's a pretty special unit, one of the most simplistic hydrogen inhalation systems in its functionality, but its quality is top notch. So first of all, I'm going to have to get through the labeling here. Alright, man, the box is a little tough to get into. So let's go ahead and move the papers out of the way. So the first thing we have here would be your filter. This is a filter cartridge that goes with the system, goes in the reservoir of the unit itself. And then you have your water collector. This collects water from the generation of hydrogen being produced. So we'll set both of these down right here. And there's some packaging. So this has all the necessary components. We'll go ahead and walk through this bag here. And then what's left is the generator itself. And look like there's actually a couple extra filters in this system. So we have 2 extra filters that were offered with the unit. And lastly, but not least, is the generator itself. So let's go ahead and get it out on the table and I'll show you. Alright, so we got the unit out. It was quite the ordeal to get out of the box. The box is kind of tall. But this is the generator itself. I'll go ahead and open it up from the packaging. And I will it down like this. And off the bottom. Alrighty. So that is the H2 Rich or Hydrogen Med HM-500 system, and let's go ahead and go through the components and see what else. So as I said, those are the filters. This is your collection cup, and then we'll open up this. What else you'll get with the system. And this, you get 2 nasal cannulas. Another one. Another nasal cannula. You get your user manual. Get your user manual. This is your drain tube. This will be a drain tube that's with the system. And looks like some connection tubes, and then your power cord. So that's it. That's what comes with the unit. In the next video, I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to set up your HM-500, and then go ahead and turn it on so you can use it. And then we'll do a test video for this system as well. Like I said before, this system has been recommended by us for the last 2 years, and it's one of the top performing hydrogen inhalation units that we actually recommend. And so I cannot suggest this system any more so than I already do. This is a system you should get your hands on if you have the opportunity to do so. One last thing I forgot to mention is that the amount of filters that we actually have here, and even I think the extra cannula, is not normative. They normally come with one cannula. I think it would normally come with one cannula and one filter. But you can request extra filters and an extra cannula, and they're actually relatively cheap. I think the filter is like $20 or something like that. So, yeah, so they're not expensive to request extra filters with your order. So I just want to make sure that when I was doing the demonstrate or doing the unboxing, that you recognize that this is a little bit extra that we got to receive. Alrighty, so catch you guys next time at the H2Hubb.